Introducing the Silver Socks Ankle. Super comfortable smart socks that are engineered to take you farther. Our specialist antibacterial silver eliminates all the bacteria from your feet, keeping them clean and smelling fresh throughout the entire day. It has a carefully perfected design, made using cutting-edge silver weaving technology to ensure each sock is perfectly built with every adventure and experience in mind. The breathable silver mesh that's built into your socks aids in quickly and efficiently wicking away sweat, so you can feel your feet breathe freely no matter what you decide to do. Our elevated ankle collar and inner heel grips ensure your socks are ready to handle every kind of movement for wherever life takes you, without worrying about them ever slipping off during sports or exercise. The core of the sock is based on a thermally modulated silver weave to keep you adapted to your environment while keeping your feet clean and free from bacteria. The reinforced heel ensures you'll feel like you're walking on air by giving you the padding you need to be on your feet for the entire day, and a little longer too. The luxuriously soft cotton and supremely antibacterial silver keep your feet at their cleanest and most comfortable for every second you have them on. Let your silver socks carry you through the day.